how to make Kahoot public 2025 updated tutorial. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your Kahoot public in 2025. So first of all, you need to log into your Kahoot account by going to your Kahoot official website, and after logging in you have to click on the library from here. As you can see, after clicking on library, it will show you your Kahoot works right here, that it's my Kahoot. So we'll just click on it. Not host live, we'll just simply click on it and open it. And after that we'll have to click on edit, and we have to click on the settings option from here. And after clicking on settings option, as you can see, the visibility, you can choose who can see this Kahoot: private, only visible to you; public, visible to everyone on the discovery page. So if you click on the public and save it by clicking done, and click on save after that, and now your Kahoot is on live. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.